Should you be painting on traditional canvas or should you be painting on canvas boards? This is a question I get asked all the time. You know, there really is no right or wrong answer. It just depends on the type of artist that you are or the final product that you want. So let's take a quick moment to talk about the differences between the two so you know which one to pick and paint on. Right off the bat, canvas boards and traditional canvases are both great painting surfaces. But generally, canvas boards will be glued to a compressed cardboard backing, giving them a much stiffer feel when painting on them. Whereas traditional canvases will have some sort of bounce and give to it. Due to the cardboard backing on canvas boards, when you paint on top of the surface, generally that cardboard is going to soak in the color, preventing your colors from spreading across your painting surface or blending easily. Something to keep in mind. Another thing to keep in mind is that generally can be fixed with a simple coating of gesso. Again, due to that cardboard backing soaking in that paint, canvas boards generally dry a little faster compared to traditional canvases. Let's talk price for just a moment because obviously that's an important one. Generally, canvas boards are more affordable and cheaper, generally ranging in the $1 to $2 range per canvas board, while typically decent canvases start around the $5 to $10 range. Due to these price points, canvas boards are great for practicing and testing out new colors, materials, and techniques. When it comes to storage space, this one is simple. Here is 5 canvas boards compared to 1 canvas. Canvas boards are way easier when it comes to storage space. Durability isn't something that most artists think about. When it comes to canvas boards, they hold up to a lot of punishment and are extremely durable. When it comes to traditional canvases, they're more prone to dents and puncture marks. While traveling with canvases to do outdoor painting or moving from one spot to the next isn't that difficult, canvas boards are just way easier again due to the travel size and weight. If you plan to frame any of your creations, typically framing a traditional canvas does cost more money compared to something like canvas boards, which surprisingly have a lot of cheap options out there. All right, time for a big one. Let's talk about aesthetics really quickly. And this is based upon my own personal experiences of creating and selling art. 9 times out of 10, artists and buyers are more attracted to a traditional canvas. While canvas boards still sell, more eyeballs are attracted to traditional canvases. Let's talk recommendations really quick. If you're a brand new artist, I really recommend you try out the Super Value Pack canvases from Michaels. They come in different sizes and you can get different amounts for a low, affordable price. If you want to paint on a smoother surface that's slightly more professional but still at a good value, under $10 you can go get a Master's Touch canvas, and they're extremely durable and have this nice smooth finish. If I'm going to paint anything professional or something that I know I'm going to sell, I will paint on a level 3 gallery wrap canvas. I love the aesthetics and I love the presentation that it has, and it's very durable. When it comes to canvas boards, honestly, I really haven't noticed a difference between all the canvas boards that I've used. And trust me, I've gone through a lot. So I say go for the most affordable one in your country or region or area and look out for those sales. I will let you know, I do love these ones right here. These are the fine artist material ones. For some reason, I find them smooth, they have a great gesso coating, and they're extremely durable, and I've noticed they haven't soaked in as much paint when I use them. I'll do you a favor and I'll put a link down below for these ones. If you want to learn more about any of the canvases that we've used here, or how to put on the perfect gesso coating to make any canvas better, gonna do you a favor and put a couple of videos over to the side. And if you like this video and you plan on getting some canvas or canvas boards, you can use the links down in the video description below. I'll see you all later in the next video. Take care, and of course, peace.